This is an unboxing of a 4K dash cam that I'm going to be doing a review and unboxing about. And this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, we are also going to see more in depth about this 4K camera. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so before I unbox this, I do want to say, so it offers 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear, and then it's a 3-channel camera. So 1080p also directly facing at you as well too. So it offers, it has 3 channels, so you can pretty much monitor yourself in the front, yourself in the rear, and then yourself in the inside of the car. So that really is really a cool feature. Then it offers a G sensor too. So if your car gets hit, the pretty much like from a like collides to another car, it's gonna pretty much capture that footage as well too. So that's a cool huge plus on it. Comes with that feature. And like I told you guys right here, 3-channel dash cam right there. Then it has loop recording as well. Then a parking monitor as well. So if you park or back into your car, it's gonna give you a notification, alert you how far you're backing into your your driveway or in a parking lot. So it does that as well too. But yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything it comes with. So it comes with a 1-year warranty as well too. So if anything goes wrong, then you contact the company and they should provide support and give you that. I love the fact that this dash cam offers a warranty. So if anything goes wrong, then they should be able to help you out. Then right over here, it comes with some instruction manual guide as well too. So one thing you have to do is you have to download the app in the App Store. If you have an Android, you download for that. If you have a iOS, you download it for that. Then right over here, we get the cigarette lighter. So I do love the fact that this is a plug and play. That it's not really anything too difficult. It just plugs in and play like that. No need to hardwire your dash cam into your car. So it's really easy to pretty much to install. The rear camera as well too. So 1080p for the rear, and then like I told you guys, 4K for the front. And right over here, we get all the installation hardware you need. So depending on the type of vehicle you own, you may need to use these things as well too. And this is to pretty much use it to install and to hide the wires. This right over here is the USB to capture and to save your footages. Depending on if you own a PC or a Mac, you use it for that. And then right over here, we get the suction cup as well too. I do love the fact that suction cup is a small compact size, so it doesn't really get in the way itself, either like that. Then we get the instruction manual guide right over here. This right over here is to prevent your windshield from getting, pretty much you don't want to prevent scratching on your windshield. So it uses a protective cover when where you install your dash cam. And last but not least here, we get the 4K 3-channel dash cam. So pretty much 4K for the front. The rear is 1080p, and then pretty much inside it's a 3-channel dash cam. So inside it's going to record as you are driving, which is a really huge plus about this dash cam because it records while you're driving inside your vehicle. And this does rotate as well too. So it's a 180 degrees rotatable as well too. So you can have it up, you can have it down. I do love the fact that it comes with that as well too. And the most important thing is that I love the fact that this camera is really a small compact size as well too. It's really a small size, and it's not as big as it's not like a huge dash cam. So I love the fact that it's really like a slim design. And yeah, I'm overall so far just seeing all this stuff, I would definitely recommend this dash cam because of the fact that it's 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear, and 3-channel dash cam. So it's going to record while you're driving inside of your car, which is a huge bonus plus on that. I do love the fact it's going to record while you are driving, so that really is a cool feature it includes. And yeah, so far I absolutely love this dash cam. I would definitely recommend this dash cam. If you are looking for a new dash cam, then this one right over here I would definitely recommend because of the fact it's a 3-channel dash cam and it's 4K for the front, 1080p for the rear, and 1080p inside the vehicle. And so far everything looks very easy to install, and I'm happy with this product.